Right now at 5, we're digging into a public dispute between the Camden County Sheriff's Office and the Camden County Prosecutor. Thanks for being with us tonight at 5. I'm Jesse Inman. That conflict between Prosecutor Richelle Grosvenor and Sheriff Chris Edgar centers around Deputy Bryce Easley and accusations about his conduct. Well, now the prosecutor is refusing to file charges in cases that Easley is the main deputy in because of concerns about his conduct potentially harming their case. The Camden County Sheriff says the concerns and prior complaints are part of Easley's past, saying body cam videos released by the prosecutor were from a time before the sheriff took office, and that the deputy has turned a new leaf. Tonight, Ozarks First's Parker Paget reports from Camden County.
Behind me are the entrances for the Camden County Sheriff's Office and the Camden County Prosecutor's Office, and you can see how close they are together. But the sheriff and the prosecutor couldn't be further apart when it comes to Sergeant Bryce Easley's policing. I spoke to both sides as the issue has created a stalemate here in Camden County.
The Bryce Easley that you guys seen on the videos and him arguing is not the same Bryce Easley today. I could reassure you of that.
Camden County prosecutors show up to prosecute cases. If you are going to be a liability to that, we want the agency to take care of that issue.
When Camden County Sheriff Chris Edgar took office in 2025, Prosecutor Richelle Grosvenor paid him a visit to talk about Deputy Bryce Easley and his conduct in the years before Edgar took office.
I immediately sat down with Bryce and told him he was going to be going to the St. Louis area for de-escalation training.
Edgar says previous problems with the now sergeant are in the past.
Since he's been to de-escalation training, I've had zero complaints. He's actually in the office a lot of the time, helping with setting up for training.
Grosvenor says she's not filing charges in cases where he's the main witness because of the past. Here's body camera video released by Grosvenor from Easley's viewpoint of an interaction in 2024.
Your hands behind your back. Back off, back off. Hands behind. Back off.
I didn't do anything.
Taser.
And another interaction in 2023.
Get out now.
I can't get out.
Get out.
I'm a disabled veteran, man. Thank you.
I don't really care when this conduct occurred. I let Chris know that this was an issue, that he was going to be a liability in every case he was involved in. Just because he went to de-escalation school doesn't mean these videos just disappear from the defense attorney's hands.
Easley's conduct was investigated for potential criminal charges in 2024, but prosecutors in Miller County declined to move forward with the case.
I'm trying not to look at all past behaviors. I'm very open to second chances. I think everybody deserves that opportunity.
In a deposition this year for a case Easley was connected to that Grosvenor did not prosecute, the deputy said he felt like the prosecutor had a vendetta against him.
On a professional level, my concern increased with the deposition, his hostility towards the assistant prosecutor. I think he becomes unprofessional with anybody who would question his authority.
Edgar is backing his deputy now and for the future. Does the public have anything to worry about with Sergeant Easley?
If they did, he would not be here. I can assure you there is no issues.
Now, this is just one part in this story. We will take a closer look at other videos released by the prosecutor and hear from both sides on other issues surrounding this conflict. Reporting in Camden County, Parker Paget, Ozarks First.